morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is the 9th. We have unemployment claims today. And I'm going to let you guys know I do got to use the restroom right now, so I'm finna use the restroom. And I'll be back on the charts, but let me just go ahead and write it down in my messaging. So, using the restroom chat. Be right back. Bet you fool. Alright, be right back, guys. Yes, sir, with the comfortable blanket wrapped around. It's cold as fuck out here in Missouri. It snowed like a mud. So, trying to stay nice and warm. Alright, chat. So, thank God. I was almost, not that I was like considering entering buys, but I was kind of had it in the back of my head like, it might play out. But thank God we didn't. That would have been silly of a move. Range is too small. And it just, I don't know. Doesn't really make sense. I was able to look at better at trading view, but just top of my head, I don't want to explain nothing that sounds stupid. Gold's looking kind of interesting here. It's up there, goofball. Hey, Glacius, what's up, buddy? It's good to see you, my friend. Alright, so gold is taking a dive here. Let's take a look. I'm not going to enter anything impulsively, but I want to make sure I'm ready for pretty much anything. We're starting to develop a hourly resistance up here. Yeah, very good to see you, Glacius. How you been, my boy? Shit. Alright, my bad. Ooh. Alright. Let's take a good look at this. We are forming major support here. So that's cool to see. So what I'm marking right here is just pretty much key price levels. Key price levels for us to just pay attention to. (1861, 1901, 1918, 1959). Okay. Damn, 250 pips pretty much. It's a huge range. Yeah, breaking down this daily support zone has been very, very choppy. Yeah, folks, so at the moment, still looking to just kind of hold. I don't really see too much going on here. I want to be careful with sells because I understand higher time frames is a nice support zone for the higher time frames. So relatively, I have kind of a relatively, obviously, I mean, not like 100%. I'm like only looking for buys, but I do have more of a bullish, um, more of a bullish bias here. But I'd rather just be pretty patient, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously, I'm not against the idea of sells, but any sells right now, I just don't think be the best idea. We got, you know, support right here, another support very, very soon after that, and we have a huge 30-minute rejection. So I'm like, I don't know. Seems like our best benefit is to just be patient. We are on a 3 winning streak as well, so I don't want to just ruin it. This candle is closing bullish above resistance, but barely. It's so weak that I really just want to see how price forms before I just decide to jump in anything. Look at that. That is crazy. That's pound yen looking on the higher time frames. I almost forgot. Yeah, pound yen is pretty interesting. It means form support, reacting off support, but we're also nearing its retest zone. So this also seems like a good spot where the price could flip too. So this 4 hour has just a little bit left to go. We might hit a sell here on the hourly time frame. I mean, it will be on the 30-minute when I execute, but like, it's basically coming mainly off that hourly analysis is why I'm entering. So we'll just see. You know what I'm saying? This is a kind of exciting, to be honest. Got 28 minutes and oh my god. Hey, if it goes straight to stop loss, I mean fuck, it is what it is. But damn, I'm trying to make sure I hold this streak. It's been three good trades in a row. Trying to make this the 4th one. And I don't know though. It's like it's I don't know. It's a risky idea to entertain, I guess. It's a real risky idea to entertain. Um, the sell positions are like on major standby because I want to see how this hourly candle closes. And I gotta remember what the 30 minutes looking like. Excuse me. Yeah, it's crashed out. I did not mean to do that. What you bastards doing? I got my dogs in here that's causing a ruckus in this mud. Just fucking up everything. Oh man. Hey, Glacius, let me know if you're still in here, bro. I'd really like to hear from you, bro. If you've been enjoying the Discord, taking any note of the Discord, been a little active in Discord, reading anything in the Discord, bro. I'd really love you to start posting in the Discord. It'd be great. And I appreciate you, man. You come here almost every morning, pretty much, bro. And you always say what's up. So, dude, I have a lot of appreciation towards you, man. I just want to do the most for that community as well. I don't know. Is it time for the candles to start pushing down, or is that what we're trying to see here? You know, I mean, if I'm thinking about it, the probability of this bullish candle like print way up here, in my opinion, is like really low. Mm, I don't know. I just don't see it happening, at least in this candle. So, hmm, just curious, just curious. Yeah, these sales are very, 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 very risky. Honestly, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm trying to be as smooth as possible with this. Um, just don't like all those rejections you see. I mean, you break that down even on the hourly. If the hourly closes, I mean, yeah, great. Um, yes, sir. Hey, Glacius. I don't know how you want to say it, bro. Aaron, maybe. I hope I'm not, maybe, what's it called? Like, irritating you by saying it. But yeah, Glacius. Fucking, reminds me of like a Greek guy. But anyways, Glacius, bro. 100%, dog. I'd love to see that from you, bro. Seeing you, post on the Discord would be, pretty amazing. I feel like it would inspire other members. I mean, we got a lot of members now. We were only building and building and building, right? But the idea for me is not having 100 people in that motherfucker and like 15 of them are active. I'm gonna start considering cutting people out. You know what I'm saying? And the reason why is because of inactivity. You know what I'm saying? Um, I might even make it into one of my rules, like if there's like a 3 month inactivity policy. So if it's like a 3 months inactivity, unfortunately we're gonna have to cut the guy. You know what I'm saying? Not that he's like forever banned from the Discord. You know what I'm saying? It's just, hey, once you're ready to, trade and just start trading. I'm not saying that it's not a thing to I'm trying to, you know, give my feedback back on it and like teach you something. No, it's nothing like that at all. It's just for all of us, me in specific too, like for people to hold us all accountable. Like, you know what I'm saying? Um, what's it called? I'm kind of getting off topic. I was reading what you were saying, my boy, but basically at the end of the day, it's all for us just to post in there and basically journal our trades. You know what I'm saying? And be there as a Discord community together. As people see us posting trades and acting on our analysis, eventually in time we're just going to become very, very good. And it's only going to be inspiring to everybody else. And I hope everybody just starts just, communicating like a motherfucking community. You know what I'm saying? And I'd really like to see that. But Glacius, I do see you checking it out though, 100%. So 100%, I appreciate you, bro. And yeah, there's a lot of rejection on GJ, but exactly that, 100%. Yo, Glacius, you hit it right on the money. Exactly, volume might push through. That's something that was a point I was gonna say. Unfortunately, though, NYSE isn't like this next candle. We still gotta wait pretty much an hour for New York Stock Exchange, but it's still New York session, so it has volume. You know what I'm saying? So like, definitely could definitely could work out, and that's kind of where I stand with this position. Is like, I understand it's New York session, like I could take a sell, but like I said, I am gonna wait for this hourly candle to close. I'm not gonna go off the 30-minute candles here, at least with pound yen, at least on this sell. I'd rather stick to the hourly confirmations. If it goes too far down, obviously, like if it closes and it's a bearish candle way down here, I'm just gonna stay out of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna stay out of it. There's no point. If it closes somewhere up here, maybe up here, I don't like how there's no wick, so I wouldn't want to enter something like that. But I would like it to maybe close somewhere around here, around like 158, like 90 to like 98 type shit, 97. That's kind of where I'd like to take a sell. But as of right now, since it's pushing how it is, just gonna let it do its thing. Let's go take a look at gold, because I haven't really traded gold in a little bit, but I love gold, so let's take a look at gold. Yeah, trust me, bro. Yeah, 100%. I honestly like trading gold a little bit better, to be honest, than GJ. Lately, for some reason though, like GJ's just been having like really fundamental, like super easy moves, like almost like a no-brainer. Like, just enter that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's been pretty beneficial here. And then pound or not gold has been pretty choppy. I'm not gonna lie, it's been pretty choppy recently. And like, I feel like positions are really got to be sniped out. You know what I'm saying? And you know, that's why I'm here. I'm trying to get more experience with it. You know what I'm saying? So get more experience with it and see what's going on. But as of right now, though, I don't see anything I personally want to enter with gold. I really don't. At least not at the moment. 30-minute is providing a nice support. We got 19 minutes though until this candle closes. How big this range is very important. I don't even know. So that's awesome. That's like 50 pips, right? So that's actually awesome. So so I'm not gonna lie, like depending on how this candle closes, definitely want to see a range wick. No liquidity wick, honestly, like is perfectly fine with me. We do got a little tiny ass liquidity wick, which is fine. But right here though, if we can get like a nice wick, which is probably gonna happen, right? We'll probably close somewhere down here. This could be a nice wick for us. I wouldn't mind taking a buy position there on gold. That honestly to me looks pretty great. This is a 50 pip something range, so it's like, yeah, it seems good. But obviously right now, I'm not entering. You know what I'm saying? Like I told everybody before, I would. The idea is like I would like this to be a wick, and then the body of the candle will start like right here. Take a buy position, stop loss above, like below here. Take profit about here. You know, secure 1-to-1 pretty easy. Where it's at right now, stop loss is gonna be super huge. You know, definitely not looking good. Just above 1887, man, it's amazing. Oh yeah, 100%. Right on the money. Yeah, 1886, I got it marked out. That's like literally exactly where I wanted to break. Like, that's impulsive entry as hell. Might even have to consider with this 30-minute candle. I'm not going to lie. This 30-minute candle is pumping right now. So I might enter a little. But damn, though. That'll be one fast stop loss. I could have a tight stop loss, right? You could put one tight, but I just don't know if it's. I don't. Yeah, no, sir. I don't think it'd be worried. Yeah, I'm just cooling right now. But yeah, I feel like this position can be sniped out a little bit earlier than this break of this, to be honest. And the reason why I say that is, like, obviously this candle's already pushed up quite a bit. I don't want to stay out of it as of right now, but if this candle closes bullish and has a nice wick and is like relatively below this bearish candle, like somewhere around here, I'd like to do that and entertain that buy position only because my stop loss can be relatively smaller. My first take profit can be quicker. And you know, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I checked the news today. We actually have unemployment claims, so it should give us more volume. But it's 7:30, and it's already been 7:30, so yeah, that's already inactive right now as we speak. So this is the unemployment claims. So I guess I can see what you mean by bad news for USD, because there hadn't been shit popping off with it. Not gonna lie, it didn't. Yeah, just a waiting game for sure. Yeah, today definitely seems like a very patient game, and I'm very glad I'm staying patient because it seems interesting. And honestly, I think pound yen, I'm staying the fuck away from it. Even if that hourly closes, like I said, I don't even care. I mean, it looks okay. I don't know. Hold on. I mean, it's still just hella rejection though, even on the hourly. I don't know if I like that. To be honest, I don't know if I like that either. And gold is like actually so much cleaner to actually just focus and pay attention. Like I feel like in my opinion today, and in specific today, there's more opportunity in gold than there is in pound yen. So I'm gonna focus primarily most of my attention here on gold today. Mario, what's up, my boy? Digging the idea if it wants to move. If it wants to move. Oh yeah, fuck. I don't know why I was reading that funny. Digging the idea if it wants to move. Yeah, we just going to see. That's all we can do. Yeah, so chat, if it closes where it's at right now, like my boy Glacius, uh, we just waiting. It's a waiting game. I don't want to enter that's too, to me, it's too fat of a fucking stop loss. And too great of a chance for it to reject right to that bitch. Or my entry. Like, hell no, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. I'd rather see it more worth it. Like, it's going to make this push to that top cycle. Right now, don't seem like much. The unemployment claims hadn't done shit. Has not getting very much volume. We still got a couple, we got 30-minute candles I'd like to wait for here and see how it starts reacting around the 1886.57 level. Once it starts reacting off that level, then we can get a better understanding whether if we're going to take that buy and, you know what I'm saying, make that good push up to that, you know. TP number 2 would be 1901. TP 1 is going to be whatever my stop loss is. So depending on how the candle closes, going to be dependent on how big my stop loss is. If my stop loss is saying 12 pips, man, 12 pips is my first take profit. If it's um 15, you guys get the idea. 25, you know what I'm saying, that's going to be the first take profit. It's going to be 25 pips. Um, but yeah, so we're just going to be patient here at the moment. We just got to wait to see how these candles form, and we'll take our position from then. Stefan Holcher, very good to see you, bro. I appreciate you tapping in. Seen you the other day. Very good to see you, man. At the moment, just kind of taking a look at how gold can give us maybe a potential buy position here. It's going to require some patience, though. Pound yen. Taking a look at pound yen here. I like the hourly candle close here. We got 12 minutes. I would have to say it's pretty risky sells here, honestly. Higher time frame, we're relatively starting to trend off of bullish support. And we have just started to form this resistance though on the hourly time frame, and we are entering a very, very volatile time. So knowing that we have a lot of volume in the markets, it's a New York session. We have we have NYSE, we have New York Stock Exchange right around the corner that's going to provide more volume. You know, can we make this push down at least to like 158.60? You know what I'm saying? Can we take this down 158.60? We'll see. This 11 minutes is going to mean a lot to pound yen because if we start closing back bullish, like a minor bullish, obviously it's invalid to sell it at this point. It wouldn't be the best idea. Even at closing where it's at now, still, like I said, there's so many rejections, and we're pretty much pumping off of a higher time frame support. Really, guys, risky stuff. So I don't know. Just be careful. Gotta take a look at gold though, cause I don't want gold to do nothing that I'm like ready for it, cause this is sweet. This looks like a very good move to correct. I don't know how it is for everybody else's weather, but here in Missouri, man, it just fucking snowed like crazy. Shit. It's cold outside. Alright, I gotta actually be kind of ready. I think this is a position I would actually like to do impulsive entries on. just keep that there. Hold on. 1901. Yeah, I like that. 1901 for second tape out. 190109. So guys, I know the proper way to pretty much get ready for impulsive entries, generally speaking, would be like a generally speaking would be a buy stop or sell stop. But personally, I haven't set that up on my magic keys. I haven't set up my buy or sell stops, or even my limits, sell limits or buy limits. I don't have any of those set up. Personally, I don't even really like to use them that much, but lately I have been considering using buy stops and sell stops. Buy limits and sell limits I really don't care to use because I don't really like trade that much off retracement. And if I do trade off retracement, I'm definitely waiting for candles to close, and I can just market execute. So I'd rather market execute. But yeah, buy stops though in situations like this are definitely not a bad idea in my opinion. So chat, I am being a little risky here. Candle's getting close to closing, but if we break past, I do want to be ready to enter the impulsive entry. We just got to break past 1886. Pretty risky position, guys, I will say. But I'm willing to take the risk so I can learn from it myself. If we take a loss here, I can always get better, right? So we broken past to this point. I am going to take that risk on. So 23. So when I'm up 23, I got to close custom. So this is an impulsive entry, ladies and gentlemen. We're just going to see how it goes after this. But I broke a key level. So since it broke a key level, in my opinion, I'd like to take advantage of that. Alright guys, I'm going to just take most of that profit there and just let the rest run. At this point, we're just risk-free trade. I'm pretty sure I caught it at 23 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Moved pretty quick, and I didn't want to just miss that. So at this point, we're just going to let the position run out. If it fucking hits me break even, ladies and gentlemen. But we was able to stay pretty profitable there. I got to update this on my trading view because didn't really have time to update it in the moment. I had to just act upon my MetaTrader 5 and regarding price action and breaking key levels. Guys, this is why it's very important to mark your time frames. Higher time frames like the 4-hour and the daily. Those 4-hour and daily wicks, especially the wicks. It's always important to mark those wicks. How do you like the keys? Gold has been ranging for a while. Yeah, gold has been ranging for a while, but Australian is starting to break out right now. So it'd be really good to see it, keep pushing me up and correct the move that it had before. I believe that happened in London session. It's very likely though we are going to get stopped at a break even just because candle hasn't closed yet, and if it pushes up more, great. But if not, I just want to be able to make sure we secure our 1.5%. What did I say? Okay, so my boy Stefan, you say gold has been ranging. You're right, though. It has been ranging. I've been staying away from gold quite a bit recently. I've been trading a lot of pound yen these past couple days. I think my past 3 trades have been pound yen. This is the first gold trade I've taken to this week, and this is my 4 in a row dub of the week, so it feels great, honestly. Um, hell yeah! Shout out to Dominion Markets right there for keeping me in that position there. The spread didn't take me out. You know what I'm saying? That's the power of the spread of Dominion Markets. That shit looked like it's about to hit my stop loss break even like 100%. How do you like the keys, bro? Stefan, I'm sure you probably got them yourself, but if you don't, my boy, you need to get these, bro. Holy shit, Magic Keys is the best. I don't know I'd ever want to trade without Magic Keys ever again in my life, to be honest. Like, if I travel, I'm gonna have to get a secondary Magic Keys and like trade off of that. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, we end up getting closed here. I don't really personally know if I want to enter another position here. Like, I kind of want to, but I kind of don't. Um, you know, so I'm kind of like, I don't know. Personally, guys, I think I'm probably just gonna call it. I mean, if this pumps up even more, I'm sure it could. I mean, if you take a look at the candle, it is absolutely a monster of a 30-minute candle. Um, and what makes it more of a monster, here is this candle here is a very has a shit ton of momentum. And the reason why I say that is because we have a range wick and we have a very like almost no liquidity wick. That means that price had no interest to even push down. Like there's no consideration that price ever wanted to push down towards sells. That's what this candle is basically telling us. And I mean, honestly, I got a lot of confidence in the next position, but since I've already profited, I don't know. I'm already 4 in a row. Yeah, you know. So, hey, if you're going to hop on, my boy, it's good to see you, man. Stefan, I'm going to be here on tomorrow. Pretty much, I'm going to be closing the stream myself. But like I said, Stefan, definitely, bro, if you consider trading, you trade any very volatile pair, you know, gold, pound yen, oil, anything like that, any volatile pairs, stuff like that, I highly recommend trading with Magic Keys. You can cut your risk very quick. You can get out of positions in and out quick. I think it's the greatest thing ever. But Stefan, bro, I really appreciate you joining up, man. If you'd like to join the Discord, bro, go ahead join my shoot me a DM on my Instagram, and I'll go ahead and give you that invite to the Discord. Just really quick before you hop off, buddy, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the Discord and what it's about. Basically, Discord is just gonna be about all of us to. So we got London Session, my boy Witty Chitty right here. He's active in the chat. He's going ahead and he took a beautiful position as well. Let me see. Waiting for this morning is gonna be. My bias is bullish and beautiful. So okay, so anyways, the idea here, my boy Stefan, is we're all just trying to post our charts in here. It's never for me to, you know, sit there and redicate or you know, like basically teach people stuff. No, it's for everybody to post their charts in there. We're journaling our charts, we're getting our experience, we're getting all of our exposure. I feel like the more people that post their charts is going to make the rest of these people here on the right hand side, all these people in the members, to be more active as well. They're going to be more acclimated to wanting to post their charts and get more active with it, because at the end of the day, Stefan, we're all just basically, bro, we're never going to be the best professional traders unless we get that experience, you know. So we got to get the experience and apply that, you know, all that experience and everything we learn in the markets, you know what I'm saying? So it's definitely great to see you, man. I appreciate you getting me that DM. We're just trying to keep growing this, baby. Glacius, thank you so much for tapping in today. Mario, thank you so much for tapping in today. Very good to see you guys. Yeah, I would like to get this popping. Freaking amazing too, Mario. I really love to see it, bro. Hell yeah, everyone trying to go. Yep, exactly, bro. That's the idea. You know, once everybody reaches a lifestyle we want within this, maybe like first 5 people, I'd like all of us 5 people to take a trip somewhere, man. All of us take a trip, maybe like, you know, Australia, somewhere in the United States, maybe somewhere in Europe, somewhere, you know, just we'd all be able to decide it. You know what I'm saying? Get together on Instagrams, get lit on our Instagrams, because that's what everybody likes to see on those type of social media platforms. But in here on this social media platform, on YouTube and on our Discord, it is strictly charts, it is strictly analysis, it is strictly execution, and learning from there. That's how I want to run this Discord. That's how I want Never Get Comfortable Forex to just pretty much keep pumping. Through those actions, I feel like we're only going to develop professional traders and people who really want to become successful in this. And we're going to be one powerful fucking group. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's going to be the idea. I feel like I got these YouTube lives to kind of back that, just to show the discipline that it takes to hop on this shit every morning. But other than that, thank you so much, Stefan. I really appreciate you, Brody. Mario, thank you so much for tapping in, getting those positions going, buddy. Looks fucking great. Positions going crazy right now. Um, yeah, guys. So honestly, just best of luck in the trades today. Um, Looking to be very interesting day, honestly. Stop losses would be very big right now, guys. If you guys enter this position, your guys' stop loss is definitely going to be have to underneath here, which probably is about 70 pips. So, um, and that would mean that your first take profit has to be about 70 pips as well, which honestly is realistic though, because we have a huge clean range. I mean, this range is absolutely nasty, monstrous, right? You just want to pay attention to this wick here, though. It's important. This could be an easy first take profit or a spot where price could start rejecting. Um, Yeah, bro. I'm doing trying to get better and grow. Hey, bro, that's what we're all trying to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm by no means the mark a professional trader. I am an amateur trader, but I feel like I'm able to showcase good skills, and I feel like I'm a profitable trader as well. So to be able to showcase that as well is great. The reason why I don't consider myself a professional trader at the moment is because I'm not necessarily living the lifestyle I 100% want to live. You know what I'm saying? I'm still keeping a side job to hold insurances, which I love and I appreciate. Thank God I learned a trade to butcher. It is a great tool, but at the end of the day, just want to keep providing some more and more value to everybody. And like at the end of the day, the more value I can provide through these streams, eventually, the lifestyle will all come together. You know what I'm saying? I think everybody like to just travel and do what the hell they'd like to do, and not have to resort always to like a 9 to 5, right? So that's what I'm doing here with these streams, and I'm able to be able to come here every morning, Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So there's no excuse. I have 100% all the ability in the world to become and do anything I set my mind to, and I want everybody to feel the same way with themselves. I got a lot of love for America. I don't know how it is in other countries, but I want everybody to know if you put your mind to something, no matter where you are in the world or anything like that, you put your mind to something, you'll be able to complete it. So, um, much love to everybody. Thank you guys so much for tapping into my stream today. I am going to be logging off. Good luck to anybody in type of buys, anything that's going on here. Good luck to everybody. See you guys tomorrow, Friday. Peace out, y'all.